In this video, I'm going to teach you how to gift Welkin in Genshin Impact. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Welkin, or the Blessing, however you want to call it, is one of the things that you can purchase inside of the in-game shop for Genshin Impact, and you can actually gift it to other people. All that you need is their UID. This must be done through an external website, which is titled Coda Shop. If you don't feel safe using this website, I would highly recommend looking for reviews online. This is actually one of the trusted partner websites for Genshin Impact and other Hoyo games. So as you can see under most popular, they have Genshin Impact, but also Honkai Star Rail and ZZZ. In short, it is a third-party top-up partner officially recognized by HoYoverse. You can do your own research if you aren't sure, but if you feel comfortable using the website, go to kodashop.com, click on Genshin Impact, and now you will be able to begin the process. As I've said before, the only thing that you will need is their UID. So you input their UID here, and then you choose the server. Now you will find the options that you can gift. You can give them a specific amount of Genesis crystals, including a possible bonus, or the Blessing of the Welkin Moon. So all that you have to do is choose it here. The price will be adjusted according to your own local currency, and you can choose to pay via card or PayPal or Venmo. Select the payment option, input your zip code and email address, and proceed. I'm not going to complete the purchase in this video because it contains personal information, but it is incredibly intuitive. So Coda Shop is by far the best third-party top-up partner for Genshin Impact. There are other services and other websites which also allow you to gift Welkin and other items, but this one is officially recognized by HoYoverse, so keep that in mind. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.